everyone, I am Engineer Ranadip Chakraborty and you are watching Bastukar, the Bong Engineer. So, in today's video, I'll be discussing regarding the volume of cement and its packaging, not like how it is being packaged, but the quantum of packaging. See, we are having some misconception regarding the volume of one bag of cement. Some people say that it is 0.035, some take it in CFT, but what is the precise value of it and how it is going to vary with the cement to cement? First, we all must know that the density of the OPC, it is mentioned in IS 875 as 1440 kg per cubic meter. This is the first fact we have to remember. And the second one is that cement is packed in the bags or sacks in weight of 50 kg, not by its volume, right? So according to the type of cement, it is evident that the density will vary, because in open market we are not getting the OPC to use, right? What we are getting is the blended cement or composite cement. Blended cement means either it will be Portland Pozolona cement, that is the PPC cement, or it will be PSC or Portland Slag cement. So definitely the density will vary from the OPC, and so the volume, whatever the quantum of cement will be there in a bag or commercial sack, will definitely vary, because cement is always packed by its weight, never by its volume. So basically the cement is packed in weight of 50 kg per bag or per sack. So with the type of cement varying, the volume of the bag will definitely vary. Maybe it is too little, but surely it will vary. Second thing is that how to take the value of the volume of one bag of cement. I have already told that the density of OPC is 1440 kg per cubic meter as per IS 875, and now we already know that cement is packed in a weight of 50 kg. So it is very much simple. We just need to divide this weight of one bag of cement by the density of cement, so the volume will come up as a result. So if we do that, if we divide the 50 with 1440, it will come up as 0.0347222222. So we can take it as 0.035 by rounding it off into the 3 decimal places, as it is preferred in most of the working schedules of government, or we can also take it as 0.0347 by itself to the 4th decimal place. I do prefer to take it as 0.0347 because whenever for estimation purpose we are using this volume to calculate the number of bags of cement required from the consumption of the total volume of cement, what we are getting from the consumption chart, the number of bags and its variation will be much lesser if we take up to the 4th decimal place. So you can take it as 0.0347, it is also correct, or you can also take it as 0.035. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll be discussing regarding some important civil engineering terms. Hopefully it will be uploaded by tomorrow. Thank you and keep supporting me, my channel, our channel, Bastukar, the Bong Engineer, and spread the word for a better concept oriented civil engineering community. Thank you.